Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am doing a unboxing and I'm going to unbox the Coach Crossbody bag. Now, I have wanted this bag for forever and I was looking to get this for myself for Christmas. I splurged and it's just arrived today actually. And so I'm going to do a review. I have not sat down with you guys for some time, I think now, because I've been doing mukbang after mukbang. So I kind of wanted to sit down with you guys and have a little like kind of chat and catch up and review this bag. So I'm really, really excited. It's absolutely gorgeous. I looked at it on the website and it's just stunning. I absolutely love it. My hair today is not, I'm really getting annoyed with it. I don't know what it is. It just looks a horrible mess. And I'm just done with it really, to be honest now. I hate how it looks. I just want to do something different to it. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm in like two minds with it. But today I'm having a bad hair day and it's really getting on my nerves. Anyway, so I wanted to kind of thank you for watching my videos and all my mukbangs and the videos after Christmas. You know, I really wanted to kind of push the boat out and create better content, like I said in my, in my other videos. And I just really am excited about these videos because I just think they're so, I'm just excited because I want to be more creative. I want to do, nicer things and, be more kind of, like I said, creative than just do a video and then put it out. I want to be more kind of creative. How many times do I have to say it? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my kind of edits and we have a little outro now as well. So I'm really, really, pleased with that. Oh, I'm having a day though today, guys. I don't know what it is. I'm having a kind of a mental, kind of a anxiety day today. I know I've got to film, but I just feel like everything's going wrong. So I'm just gonna like take a deep breath and just kind of like get through this next minute because I just feel so, I'm real with you guys and I just feel so stressed out. Like everything's like, when you think about everything and everything's getting on top of you. And I just don't like the way I look. Oh, it just looks so ugly. Anyway, I don't know. I hate my hair. I just think it looks so vile. Anyway, so let's get on to the unboxing. I really, really love this, guys. I've not opened it yet, but I've seen it online. I don't want to kind of reveal my address, but this is the package. So let's get into it, guys. How does it open? I took out, I ripped the tape here because we'll be here all day. So here it is, guys. I'm so excited. Whoop, whoop. So what happened? This is not happening to me again. I literally can't speak. And I know this is like become a thing now with me, but like I'm not even joking. Like I just can't get my words out and I get so angry. It's like I have like kind of short-term ADHD. I just kind of like go crazy. So I do apologize if I'm like a bit schizo, but it's genuinely how I am in daily life. Like I scream and shout and swear and all sorts. So poor neighbours. Anyway, so my can't deal with it. It's not too bad, is it? No. So this is the kind of, the paperwork that you get in it. And there's the returns label. Here's the package, guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Can you see? It says Coach. Look at this bar. Oh my God, I'm going to die. So this is the outside of the bag. And it has the Coach sticker on there. It's funny how it says Coach, but it's a horse and carriage. Is a coach? No. Maybe is a coach like a what horses have? Like, do horses pull a coach? I thought it was called a carriage. I don't know. God. Right, okay, let's open it. Oh my God, look at the dust bag. So this is the dust bag. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of shiny white, clear white. Clear white. No, it's not clear. It's kind of a brilliant white and it's very, very shiny. I'm so excited. So here's the front. It says Coach, New York. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, wow. Here is the bag, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's made from real leather, pebble leather. And I went for the black because, you know, black goes with everything. Oh my God, it's so amazing. And it has all this kind of protective, oh my Coach New York. Oh my God, guys. Guys, this is gorgeous. Let's take out all the stuff. So it comes out, it comes with all this protective kind of. I went for the black with the gold hardware because I love gold and it's a lovely buttery gold. And black goes with everything. Oh my God, this is so amazing. Oh my God, this is so amazing. So this, oh wow. Look at, guys, this is beautiful. Let me just open this up, this bit. It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? And it's got kind of a, so you can attach the shoulder strap, the crossbody. And I heard you can actually, you can take this off and wear it as a kind of, why has it got all this stuff on it? Let me come back and take this off. Right, guys, and I've taken off the, what the fuck? Right, I'm back, guys, and I've taken off all the kind of polystyrene kind of stuff. So let's get into the bag. Oh, it's stuffed. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So it comes with kind of stuffing inside. Oh wow, the lining is beautiful. It's gorgeous. So, and then just take it, fuck! I want to speak. So yeah, I've just taken out all the kind of inside bits. Wow. Oh my God. So this is the little authenticity kind of tag that's got the barcode and, you know, the colour. And this is the care instructions as well that comes with it. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm going to keep this inside the bag at all times. I always do that with my bags. Which side was it? Was it in? I think it was this side. Guys, this is beautiful. So this is the inside. So it says Coach inside of it, like that. And it has a compartment there and one in the other side. So two kind of compartments either side. And it has the Coach logo engraved in the lining of the bag. And then it has two card holders there and then a huge pocket there and the logo there that says Coach. Can you actually see, guys? Or am I just, oh my God, it's absolutely stunning. It feels so soft and the leather feels amazing. So I don't like, it's too low for me, so I'm just going to kind of make it a bit shorter. Do it on the shortest one. Do that one. There we go. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. I don't really like this. I'd have to take this off, this little hand strap. But here is the bag, guys. And it is just beautiful. So, so gorgeous. Can you see the pebble leather? It's so smooth and shiny. It's a beautiful bag. I am so over the moon with it, guys. I just wanted something for kind of every day to kind of put my essentials in, my phone. It fits a phone, it fits the cards. And it's, even though it's kind of a small bag, it just fits a lot in. It's very, very spacious. And it's just beautiful, guys. It really, really is. So simple, but really, really stunning. So, guys, that is my unboxing of the Coach handbag. I've got all this stuff here now I need to kind of move. But I will leave a link in the description box. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I bought this all myself with my own money. So I'm very, very excited for it, and I can't wait to wear it out. I love it. I really, really love it. And I love the logo. Can you see the side as well, guys? It has a little kind of tag here that says Coach. And I love the details, the kind of intricate details here. It says Coach. Can you see? I hope it's focusing. But guys, this bag is gorgeous. It comes in a assortment of colours, but I just think black for me is just, it goes with everything. And I'm really, really happy with it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I must say though, I don't know what's happening with YouTube. I'm putting these videos out every day, but I don't think, again, I don't feel like I'm getting the recognition that I should for the videos. I really don't. I feel that, I don't know what's happening this month, but I haven't stopped putting out videos since, you know, I have a knot in this bag now. You know, I haven't stopped putting out videos since I came back from holiday, but the monetization is not reflecting on the videos. So if I could just, you know, don't want to kind of say, do this, do that, but, you know, help me out with, you know, viewing the commercials. You know, there are some interesting commercials out there as well, guys. Support me in that sense. You don't have to send me anything. You don't have to send me gifts. You don't have to send me anything. Just viewing my, you know, the commercials really means a lot to me, guys. And, you know, it makes what I do a lot more kind of, you know, it's like, this is my job. And imagine if you're at a job and you're not getting your recognition for the hours that you put in. It's kind of like that, guys. So I feel like, I don't know what's going on with YouTube at the minute. I really don't. But, you know, help me out, guys. It would mean such a lot to me. Because I really want to make, you know, amazing content for you guys. I really want to push the envelope and just be creating amazing content for you. So, you know, anyway, shut up, Fabio. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to have to kind of like tidy all this mess now. Let me know any suggestions you would like me to do mukbang wise. I'm really loving the new setup. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I really do. And I'm just really excited for like the future. Yeah, having one of those days today, guys. You know, I'm not gonna lie, but I think I'll be fine. Just have something to eat. These kind of what do you call it, logo, you know, like little sayings in the Coke. I feel like I'm not making any sense today, guys. I feel like I'm just getting really annoyed with myself today. Breathe. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video and my unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. I'm sorry for being such a scatterbrain as well. One of those days.